Ready to unlock the full potential of Sora 2 on your PC? Let's dive in. First things first, let's get Sora 2 installed. You'll typically download the installer from the official Sora 2 website or a trusted source once downloaded. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. Pay attention to any specific installation directories it suggests, as these can sometimes impact performance if not chosen wisely. Before you launch, a quick check of your system requirements is crucial for optimal performance. Ensure your PC meets or exceeds the recommended specifications for Sora 2, especially regarding your graphics card and RAM. Insufficient hardware can lead to stuttering or slow processing. Now, let's optimize Sora 2's settings once launched. Navigate to the Preferences or Settings menu. You'll often find options related to processing power allocation, rendering quality, and caching. Experiment with these settings, starting with lower quality for faster previews, and then increasing them for final output. Prioritize settings that leverage your graphics card for faster video generation. Keeping your system clean can also boost Sora 2's performance. Regularly clear out temporary files and ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for performance issues with demanding AI applications. If you encounter any slowdowns, opening your system's task manager can provide valuable insights. Look for Sora 2 and see its resource usage. If it's maxing out your CPU or GPU, it might indicate a need to close other demanding applications running in the background or to further adjust Sora 2's internal settings. Should any issues persist, don't hesitate to consult the official Sora 2 support forums or community sections for known troubleshooting tips. Often, others have faced similar challenges and found solutions, from specific driver rollbacks to configuration tweaks. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Sora 2 on your PC.